Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are very good. So I'm back with a new video, and in this video we are going to discuss the Brahmaputra river system. Okay, so in the previous videos we had done with the Indus river system and the Ganga river system, and in this video we are going to cover the Brahmaputra river system. So without wasting our precious time, okay, let's move to the slides and let's begin the topic. Okay, Brahmaputra river system. So in this video what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss about the one of the most important river, okay, which is the Brahmaputra river. Okay, so if we look at the origin of Brahmaputra river, so it is written here, you can see the Brahmaputra rises in Tibet. Okay, from where does it origin, or where is the origination point of Brahmaputra river? So it rises in Tibet. Okay, wait. Okay, so it rises in Tibet. Okay, you know the location of Tibet. Okay, so Brahmaputra rises in Tibet, east of Mansarovar Lake. And if we talk about the particular glacier, so the name of the glacier from where the Brahmaputra river originates is this Chemyungdung glacier. Okay, name थोड़ा सा अजीब सा है, but what is the name? The name is Chemyungdung glacier, and this glacier is located in the Himalayas. Okay, so the Brahmaputra river rises in Tibet, east of Mansarovar Lake. As we know that our river Indus also originates from Mansarovar Lake, है ना? So the Brahmaputra originates in Tibet region, from where in the east of Mansarovar Lake. Okay, and if we talk about the length, so the length of the Brahmaputra river is 2,900 kilometers. Okay, what is the length? 2,900 kilometers. Okay, on reaching Namcha Barwa, okay, this is a place in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, here. Okay, so on reaching Namcha Barwa, when the Brahmaputra river from here, the Brahmaputra river originates and it runs parallel to the Himalayas. As we know, this is the Himalayas portion. Okay, so it runs parallel to the Himalayas, and at Arunachal Pradesh, in Arunachal Pradesh, okay, from where on reaching Namcha Barwa, which is in Arunachal Pradesh, it takes U-turn. Okay, it takes U-turn. First it was moving in this direction, and at Namcha Barwa it takes U-turn and enters India in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, it enters India in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so at which point the Brahmaputra river takes U-turn? At this place, Namcha Barwa. Okay, I hope this much is clear to you. Okay, let's move to the next point. It takes U-turn and enters India in Arunachal Pradesh, Dihang, through a gorge. Okay, so when it enters India, it is called Dihang. What? Dihang. Not Dibang. Dibang is a tributary of Brahmaputra. When the Brahmaputra enters India in Arunachal Pradesh near Namcha Barwa, it is called Dihang. Okay, and in the Tibet region from where it originates, in the Tibet region, this Brahmaputra river is called Yarlung Sangpo. Okay, if अगर आप इतना भी याद रखते हैं Sangpo, then it's enough. Okay, so what is the name of Brahmaputra river in Tibet region? It is Sangpo, and when it enters India, it is called Dihang. Okay, not Dibang. Dibang is a tributary. Okay, when it enters the India near Namcha Barwa, it takes U-turn. When it enters India, it is called Dihang river. Okay, through a gorge. Okay, so the next point is Ganga plus Brahmaputra is equal to Meghna river. As I have told you in the previous lecture, in the Ganga river system, as I told you that this Ganga river, when it enters Bangladesh, it is called Padma, and the Brahmaputra river, when it enters in Bangladesh, is called Jamuna. And when Padma and Jamuna join together and they form a stream, and this stream is called Meghna, where in Bangladesh. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Okay, let me tell you another additional point, that when the Brahmaputra river is flowing in Tibet region, okay, it does not carry large amount of water. The inflow of water is very low in Tibet region. But when it enters India, the amount of water in the Brahmaputra river increases due to several reasons. The first reason is the two tributaries which are joining to the main stream, the Brahmaputra river. These two, Dibang and Lohit, these are the two important tributaries of Brahmaputra river which are joining Brahmaputra, which led to the increase in the amount of water in the Brahmaputra river. Okay, and the second thing, that in this region, okay, in this region rainfall takes place very heavily. As you know that in the Sikkim, okay, the Indian state Sikkim has the largest rainfall in throughout the India. Okay, highest amount of rainfall took place in Sikkim. So in the northeastern states of India, we are familiar with the large amount of, okay, a high amount of rainfall in these region. Okay, so these are the most important two factors which affect the amount of water in the Brahmaputra river. Okay, there is no tributary which is joining the Brahmaputra in Tibet region, but when it enters India too, the Dibang and the Lohit, these two tributaries join Brahmaputra. Okay, and increase the water in the Brahmaputra river, the amount of water, the volume of water, or we can say, and it also increases the velocity of the river through which the river is flowing. Okay, the velocity is also increased. Okay, so I hope that this additional point which I have told you, is clear. So let's move to the next slide. Okay, wait. Let me check is anything left or not. Okay, so let's go through this map. So this is Ganga, this is Brahmaputra, okay, and the meet and the further the stream which is formed is called what? What was the name? Meghna river. Okay, I hope this is clear. And this, which you can see here, is the largest, the largest delta in the world, which is Sundarban delta. Sundarban delta. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Let's move to the next topic. Next slide. Okay. So in this slide, what we are going to see, the tributaries of Brahmaputra river. In the previous slide, I have told you two important tributaries, the Dibang and the Lohit. Okay, so the Brahmaputra river is joined by Dibang and the Lohit and many other tributaries to form Brahmaputra in Assam. Okay, so Dibang, Lohit and many other tributaries join together to form Brahmaputra in Assam. I have told you the river system. A single river does not form a river system. The river along its tributaries makes a river system. Okay, so the Dibang, Lohit and many tributaries, which makes Brahmaputra river system. Okay. Oh, so this is the point which I explained you in the previous slide, which is carries less water in Tibet region and large water volume in India. Okay, it passes through a region of high rainfall. Okay, so two factors I have told you, due to high rainfall region, the northeastern states, and the second one is the tributaries which are joining to Brahmaputra. Okay, so these are the two important reasons that why in Tibet region the inflow of water, the velocity of water is less, and when it enters India at Namche Barwa, it takes U-turn, and when it enters India, the amount of water and the velocity of the water increases. Okay, due to these two factors. One is tributary and other one was region of it is in the region of high rainfall. Okay, and world's largest riverine island, which is Majuli, is also situated on the Brahmaputra river. What is a riverine island? So it is a kind of island which forms in the river. Okay, so typically you have seen the islands in the ocean, in the middle of the ocean, but when an island is formed on a river, then it is called riverine island. So the world's largest riverine island, and what is the name? The Majuli. It is located, situated in on the Brahmaputra river. Okay, so as you can see, this is a Brahmaputra river. This whole is a Brahmaputra, but this is the world's largest riverine island, whose name is Majuli. Okay, and the process through which this riverine island is formed, the name of the process is sedimentation. Through sedimentation, the deposition of the sediments by the river, the riverine island Majuli is formed. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to you, that how the Majuli island, which is the largest riverine island in the world, is formed through sedimentation. Okay, and the another thing is that this okay, what is the thing I'm going to further discuss now is this thing, the flood in the Assam region. You have heard many times that these northeastern region, particularly specifically Assam, is many times get affected by floods. And the flood in which river? In Brahmaputra river. So as I have told you that inflow of water increases when it enters India. It causes large floods. Okay, it causes flood in the northeastern state, which impact livelihood of the people in those region. Okay, and causes too much damage to life and property. So ये चीज की आपको ध्यान में रखनी है. ठीक है, हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स का ये मैंने पिक्चर उठा लिया है, तो आप देख सकते हो. सो आई होप कि आपको ये क्लियर हो गया होगा. यू होप दैट ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर क्लियर टू यू. बहुत ही इजी था, बहुत ही आसान था, और जल्दी मैंने इसको पढ़ाया, बट मैंने अपनी पूरी कोशिश की. आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट, आई गेव माई बेस्ट. Okay, so I hope all the things are cleared. Okay, so we have completed the rivers, the Himalayan river system, and in further videos we are going to discuss discuss the peninsular rivers. So तब तक के लिए stay tuned, देखते रहिए हमारे चैनल को. इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और नेक्स्ट वीडियो का इंतजार कीजिए. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज, जय हिंद.